Are you still calculating employee bonuses manually in Excel? In this video, I'll show you how to build a smart employee bonus report step by step. Okay, let's get started. Here we have basic employee information: employee name, employee ID, region, department, salary, and sales amount. Instead of typing percentages inside formulas, we store them in a reference table. This makes the report easier to read, easier to update, and more professional. First, select any cell in your data, press Ctrl T, and click OK to convert it into an Excel table. Excel tables are a game changer. Formulas copy automatically, ranges never break, and your reports look clean and professional. And the best part? When you add a new employee, Excel updates everything automatically. Now let's calculate the performance status based on the sales amount. Click the first blank cell under the performance status column. Type an equal sign, then if, and open a parenthesis. First, Excel checks if sales are 80,000 or more. If yes, the performance is excellent. If not, Excel moves to the next level. Sales between 60,000 and 79,999 are marked as good. Sales between 45,000 and 59,999 are marked as average. And if sales are below 45,000, the performance is poor. Close the parenthesis and press Enter. This formula automatically fills down for all employees, because we're using an Excel table. Now let's calculate the bonus status. Click on the first blank cell under the bonus status column. Type an equal sign, then if, and open a parenthesis. Excel now checks one simple rule: if the sales amount is 45,000 or more, the employee is eligible for a bonus. If the sales amount is less than 45,000, the employee is not eligible. Close the parenthesis. Press Enter, and done. Now let's calculate the bonus amount. Click the first cell under bonus amount and type an equal sign, then if. If the performance status is excellent, Excel gives 15% of the salary. If it's good, the bonus is 10%. If it's average, the bonus is 5%. And if the performance is poor, the bonus is 0. Press Enter, and Excel instantly calculates the bonus for every employee. Final pay is simply salary plus bonus amount. Press Enter, and done. If this video helped you understand Excel better, please like this video, it really supports the channel. Share it and subscribe to Easy Click Learning. Thanks for watching.